Hi everyone, welcome to my office / stockpile. But in today's video, we are going over how to use the Fetch app. It's one of my favorite apps to use. We get free items with the Fetch app. We get so many money makers or just really cheap items. Such a great app to use along with the sales of the store, along with coupons and things like that. Even without coupons, such a great app to use because you just upload your receipt. With any receipt, it doesn't matter what kind of receipt, whether it's a gas station receipt or a store receipt, anything. So it's pretty easy to use, and I'm gonna hop into that right now. Okay, so the Fetch app is one of the easiest apps to use. This is what it looks like. Usually has that running little doggy. In the corner, you're gonna see how many points you have over there. And just for reference, 1,000 is usually just about $1, so pretty easy to convert. It's not an exact $1. I think it's like maybe 97 cents or something like that. We'll get to that soon, but it's like basically $1. You're going to see all the brands that are included. You're going to see, but you don't have to, like I said, these are the brands that you get extra points for, but you can upload gas station receipts, any receipts. And then if you scroll down, you're going to have categories, high to low, expiring first, most recent. Right here is a Walgreens promotion we get almost all the time. And this is a promotion that only shows up when you upload your receipt. It's kind of weird like that. But all these other ones are going to show up naturally. But I already did the deal. So now it's like, it's a limit of 2, so I can do it again. And so that's all that means. If we scroll down, you're going to see all the rebates are included. So these are specific rebates you can do to get extra cash back other than just uploading a receipt. So if I bought a Woolite product, all I would do was look at what the description is and read it. And basically it's on any Woolite product. Very easy, very simple. There's no exclusions. And you're going to get about $2 back from Fetch. Okay, so this next rebate, it's spend 15, get back $1.50 on Airwork products. You can see when it expires. The only thing about the spend rebates, they just uploaded their apps. It used to be before coupons. As long as you spent before coupons $15, you would get back that $1.50 and so on. But they recently updated it. You have to spend $15 after coupons. So I don't really do those spend rebates anymore just because, you know, they're good. I think if you need those products anyways, that's still a good way to save some money. But, you know, I get those products usually for free or extremely cheap. So I don't plan on doing those kinds of deals anymore unless a deal comes up. Okay, so that's how you kind of, they're very self-explanatory. You know, this one has a limit of 3 times you can do the deal. So you can buy 3 of these and get, you know, $1 back on each one. I'm trying to see if there's any exclusions. And so if you had to buy them on different receipts, it would say, you know, buy on different receipts to get back the $1 on each one. But this one does not, as far as I can read. So you can purchase them all on one receipt to get $1 back. You would just upload, go right here, and you can go to that picture. You can go to e-receipt and upload electronic receipts from Amazon or things like that. Or you can snap a receipt and take a picture that way. You're just going to want to make sure you get in. That's hard to read. Come on. And there's a white hair for my dog. Okay, if you can read it, it says store, total, and date. So you just want to make sure you get those in your receipt. And that's how you do it. You're just going to take a picture of your receipt. Very easy and very simple. And I'll put up a video here on a receipt that I uploaded. I just uploaded it. Then after you upload it, it's going to give you another screen with all your cash back. You're just going to click OK, and that's how you get it back. It's very, very, very easy. And then if you click on, let me see. So this is the Discover page, right? The home page. Then if we go here in the corner, you're going to see all the rewards that I have redeemed already, or you can go to use points. This is like $3 back, $5 back, and so on. These are featured gift cards, and then if you go to categories, view all, you can see all the rewards included, and I usually just search Walmart, or I'll search CVS, or I'll search Target, and then I'll choose my gift card from there. Those are the main ones I usually buy, as you can see. You can use mark as used. I usually forget to, but the marked as used ones are on the bottom. You can see I have been doing this for years, and that's how you use Fetch. It's very easy and very simple. If you need ever to contact Fetch, you can go to the help center on the Me page and send in some questions through the contact us or frequently asked questions. Okay, and so if you want to cash out with Fetch, you're going to go to the gift cards like I said, and then you're going to search for a gift card that you want. Let's say I'm going to get a Walmart one. Let's say I want $10. Then I'm going to say get my $10 reward. And when I click that, that is going to go to my rewards tab. And I can go there, and then I can go to view gift card. Now I already used this one, so nobody try to use it. But I already used it, and so there's not going to be anything on it, but they're going to ask for the PIN, and you can just scan that barcode in store. You can also print out this page and use it on Walmart.com. So those are two options, but all you need is that barcode. So if you want to print it out, or if you want to just show them your phone and they can scan it in store. And you can do that with any app or any gift card that you check out with. And that's how you use Fetch. If you guys want to sign up for Fetch and get money back for signing up, get back about $2, you're going to use this code here. Very easy, very simple, guys. You can also use the link on my website as well. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned how to use the app correctly and effectively and get all the benefits out of it. These apps are so rewarding to use. If you want to check out my other tutorials, I'll leave them down below for you guys to check them out because they really are so rewarding to use. And we get money makers on these all the time. We actually make money on these apps. We make free items, we get free items on these apps, and we get really cheap items on these apps. So they're so amazing to use. I'll leave them all linked below for you guys to check them out to help you out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Happy couponing. So quick little note I wanted to leave here. I do have my shop open, merchandise open you can purchase, and that has couponing accessories in the shop. It has things you might want to take along with you while you're couponing. It has a little couponing pouch you can put your coupons in. It has so many different tools and accessories and clothing you can use as a couponer. The money that you guys, the things that you buy from my store actually goes right back into couponing. It goes right back into helping others. And me and my husband, we give away things weekly to people that may need it. We give away things weekly to families and also people who are, you know, in another country who may need it. Maybe they reach out to us, or maybe we just hear about them somehow. And so we do send them products, or we'll send them some form of payment to help them out during their time. So if you do purchase something from that shop, just know most of that money does go towards those things. So thank you so much for everyone who has already purchased something. It means so much to us, and I just want to say a huge thank you, and also let you know I'll leave that shop in the description box below. Okay, that's bye for now. Happy couponing.